Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Mauritius. Mauritius, which is officially known as the Republic of Mauritius, is an island. It is located about 2000 km off the coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean. The country includes the island of Mauritius, Rodrigues, and the other outer islands of Agalica and Saint Brandon. The capital and largest city is Port Louis. It is a popular tourist destination famed for its sandy white beaches. Company registration process in Mauritius for foreigners is discussed step by step. Appoint two persons who act as the agents for the company and the residents of Mauritius. After then, register a company and branch for a foreign company with the Registrar of Companies. A foreign company can also set up a subsidiary company in Mauritius. However, the company must have at least one Mauritius resident as the director. The accounting record must also be kept in Mauritius. The company secretary must also be appointed and must be a resident of Mauritius. Appoint director from Mauritius Citizen Act still in progress and not applied. A foreign company can also set up a joint venture company with a local company in Mauritius. The new company can be a limited liability company. As for a representative office, Mauritius regulation doesn't provide the registration of this type of company. The foreign company can register a local company in Mauritius as GBC1 and GBC2. There are basically two types of business structure of companies that a foreign company can set up in Mauritius. They are company holding a category 1 global business license. This type of company is also known as the resident company. It is set up mainly to take advantage of the low corporate tax rate in the country. This type of company can also do business with other local Mauritian companies or its residents such as financial or insurance services provider that they obtain the necessary approvals and permits to conduct the business. Company holding a category 2 global business license. GBS2 are considered as foreign companies or offshore companies. This type of companies mainly conduct their business dealings outside of Mauritius. The main purpose of setting up a GBT2 company is also for tax purposes as they are not subject to the country's corporate tax. As Mauritius foreign company registration advantage, foreign company can also acquire interest in a local company in Mauritius. However, the main restriction to this is that the foreign investor cannot invest in a Mauritius company that is producing sugar which is listed on the share market. Business registration in Mauritius. Steps of business registration Mauritius as follows. Reserving a company name. First and foremost, you need to come up with a name for your company. Then you would need to register this name with the Registrar of Companies. The ROC can refuse the name if it contravenes a legal enactment. There is another company with the same name. The name is deemed offensive by the ROC. The application of company registration process in Mauritius can also be done online, but you must first register with the Mauritius Network Services. Submit the application. The application form must have the following information: name of the company, detail of the director and secretary, such as their full name, residential address and service address, any business occupation of the directors in any other company, detail of the shareholders, type of company, whether it's a limited or unlimited. Structure of the company, whether it's public or private, the registered office of the company, the business activity and location of the business, full name of the applicant. Once the application complies with the Companies Act and payment of the prescribed fees, the registrar then will issue the certificate of incorporation and issue a unique company number. The ROC updates the company's information in the Central Business Registration Database. The Mauritius Revenue Authority, Local Authority, and the Ministry of Social Security are all notified of any newly incorporated company. As such, the new company is automatically registered for taxes and doesn't need to file a separate application at the tax office. Inspection by local authorities. The next step is the inspection by the sanitary authority, the police department, fire services department, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Social Security. These authorities will inform the new company of the relevant fees, guidelines and other provisions. Pay license fees. The newly established company then needs to pay the license fees. This must be done within 15 days upon the starting the business operation. Thereafter, for every subsequent financial year, it can be paid in 2 equal installments. The company would then need to register with the Social Security Office. The new company should submit a monthly return of contributions to this office. Make a company seal. The company seal must be used in the normal business operations. Thank you.